Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we will compare two popular options, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces and offer unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine offers a significantly larger washing capacity of 12 pounds. Making it suitable for bigger loads. In contrast, the WonderWash can handle only 5 pounds, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. If you often have larger laundry needs, the Giantex may be the better option. The Giantex operates as a semi-automatic machine, requiring electricity and allowing users to set wash and spin cycles with ease. On the other hand, the WonderWash is a manual, hand crank machine, which means it requires more physical effort to operate. While the Giantex is easier to use for those who prefer a more automated process, the WonderWash offers a unique, eco-friendly alternative for those who want to save on energy costs. In terms of pricing, the Giantex is priced at $159, reflecting its larger capacity and electric operation. Conversely, the WonderWash is much more affordable at just $55, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to consider what features are most important to you when making a decision. In conclusion, both the Giantex and WonderWash have their strengths and weaknesses. The Giantex is perfect for those needing a larger capacity and ease of use with its electric operation, while the WonderWash is ideal for those who prioritize portability and affordability. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific laundry needs and lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.